Following the SBAR endorsement and the activation of STEMI protocol, the patient was immediately transferred to Cutlock for emergency angioplasty.
After successful angioplasty, Mr. Juan de la Cruz was transferred to ICU for close monitoring. Na-open na po yung blocked coronary artery ni patient, but unstable pa rin po yung condition niya as of now. For the latest vital signs po, our BP is 92/58, 108 for the heart rate, RR 22 breaths per minute, and 96% on O2 sat via oxygen support. First, nag-insert tayo ng central venous pressure or CVP catheter. Ang purpose nito is para ma-monitor natin ang fluid status ng patient at makita kung sapat ba ang preload niya. So, our initial CVP reading is 12 mmHg. Ibig sabihin, hindi fluid depleted ang pasyente at mayroon ng increased filing pressure. So, makakatulong ito para mag-guide tayo kung kailangan pa ng fluids or ibang intervention para sa pasyente.
Naglagay din tayo ng arterial line para sa continuous blood pressure monitoring. Mas accurate ang arterial line compared sa regular blood pressure cuff, especially sa mga critically ill patients. Currently, ang arterial line readings are BP is 88/54, mmHg, mean arterial pressure is 65. Dahil hindi pa rin stable ang pasyente, nag-insert din tayo ng Swan-Ganz catheter. Ang mga reading ay cardiac index is 1.8, PCW is 22 mmHg. These findings suggest na mahina ang pumping function ng puso at may increased pressure sa left side of the heart.